Hey guys, let's get started on making a Milky Way for summer. I'm going to start off by base coating this tumbler, and I'm using our BCM paint in the color white. And I'm going to use our BCM paint tints to color the paints to make them somewhat of a similar color to these glitters that I want to use. These paints have awesome full coverage, and the tints are great for helping to make whatever color you need. Keep in mind that the tints are made to work with a base such as paint. You can also use them with your glues or Hyperion top coat. And I think this blue color was the hardest one to match. I don't think I even did a very good job, but really I just needed it to be something to go underneath the blue to give it a base in case there was any gaps in the glitter. I did use the black BCM paint to kind of help darken it. I would suggest doing that over using the black tint in this instance, just because I don't want to have too much tint to paint ratio. The other two colors were super easy to make. I just used a little bit of the blue and the yellow to make the green, and then some of the red tint in the white paint to make the pink. And you can see here I'm starting to paint it on in the Milky Way pattern that I want to do. These paints dry really quickly on their own. You can also use a heat gun to speed dry them as well. They are water-based, non-toxic, safe to use indoors. They're low VOC. And like I said before, and as you can see here in the video, their coverage is awesome. Typically with the paints, I would recommend doing 2 coats, but just doing 1 coat looks like it's going to be fine for this tumbler. And then something you can do as well, and you'll see me here doing that in a minute, is I will take the brush and kind of blend between the 2 colors, like you see me doing here, just to kind of soften the lines a little bit. When the paint is dry, it's got a very low sheen to it. It's not quite matte, but you'll know it's dry if it's not glossy anymore. And here I go in with my Helios glue, and I'm going to do a pretty generous layer because this is chunky glitter. And with the first color, I'm kind of starting off in the middle, and then I will let the glitter kind of expand out. And I like to have kind of an ombre effect as I'm doing it. You can achieve that by holding the glitter shaker farther away from your tumbler, or like you see me doing here, just hand sprinkling it on to kind of soften the edges there between the colors. The glitters I'm using are from Cult Glitter, code BCM saves. That beautiful pink color is called Obliterate, and this green color is called Exterminate, and then the last color I'm using is Alienate. A lot of times when I'm working with chunky glitter, you guys will see me put down a layer of a matching fine glitter first, just to kind of help with any gaps that the chunky glitter can create. I'm not doing that this time, so what I want to do is just make sure to tap off the glitter after I apply it and look for any gaps and go back over those and fill them in. My next step for this tumbler will be to smush the glitter once the glue is dry, seal it with my glue, and then start on with my first coat of Hyperion.